Okay, so we'll start with Rachel. A few things. We got originally when you were talking about an English teaching academy, you said English Teach Academy. It was just obviously English Teaching Academy. You referred to talking about a friend, and you said one of friend, and it was just one of my friends. It has to be a plural because otherwise it implied you just had one friend. And then it was looking into Korean scholarships. When you were talking about the graph, it was make more sense to say look into Korean scholarship numbers and seeing the percentage, so adding numbers on. Last thing was registered for the discount. It's just registered for discount. Yeah, in the context of the sentence, registered for the discount. So you said registered for discount, registered for the discount would be the statement to make. Subin, okay, you would say, you referred to underprivileged, when we were talking about America and the scholarship, you said it's the national case, that there's a lot of underprivileged. It would be a case, it is a national case. Otherwise it would imply that it was just the number one case about something. We talked about tuition fees earlier. You said the bank rented tuition fees. It would be borrow tuition fees or to lend tuition fees. So the student would borrow, the bank would lend. When I was junior, that would be when I was a junior. Okay. And the last one is Asian countries in OECD. When we're talking about a graph, you would say it'd be better if Asian countries that were in the OECD or were in the OECD. Gian? Yeah. We have, when we were talking about the island, you said with 15,000 population, it should be with a population of 15,000. You talked about the place with the flat land. You said one flat land should be one area of flat land or one piece of flat land. Coast road, coastal road, yeah. And there was one more. So yeah, in a different perspective, you said it'll be from a different perspective. So you said do it in, so because you're kind of looking, so it'd be from a different perspective. Ted, I think skyrocket originally, how to skyrocket, it would be how to get the sales skyrocketing. You said disadvantageous. Disadvantageous doesn't work with advantage. It's advantageous, but you can't say disadvantageous. You could say it would not be advantageous. And last one would be, you said I and my wife. It would be me and my wife, or my wife and I, not I and my wife at the same time. And that's it for today. Thank you.